Hello, it's Gosia again. In this video, I would like to show you how to use pairwise experiments to assess which version, for example, which version of your prompt or which version of whatever like you run your data set in, which experiment provides better results. So there are a couple of things that you need to do to make it happen, and those steps are outlined in the uh, eval like I'm 5 project that I will link in the description. But I would like to show you how it looks like in Langsmith. So to run this experiment, we need to have a special evaluation prompt. So if we go to prompts, you can see we have user input demo pairwise eval. This is my demo prompt. You can see how it looks like and create your own. Please remember that for every task, specific prompt is always better to explain to large language model what this task is about, how to evaluate. So we remember the prompt that we were running before, the one that was proofreading and correcting correcting text and making it more professional. So here in this evaluation prompt, we also mentioned that the task was to proofread and make the user input more professional. You should choose the assistant that fulfills the task better. This is the important part. The pairwise evaluation compares two experiments and picks the answer that large language model thinks is more correct. So or just performs better. So here you can see the evaluator. Yes, the prompt evaluator. And a very specific scoring. If you want to like reuse this, you can always fork the prompt, and then running the experiment happens in the eval icon 5 project, and then pick the dataset that the experiments were compared. So we need to find our demo dataset, and then we go here to pairwise experiments. And you can see here that I ran it. I was working it, so I ran it a couple of times and I compared like two different runs of experiment. And if I click on it, you will see which one performs better. You see that this experiment had like 3 thumbs up, which means that the so the large language preferred 3 of those answers out of 5. This one had like 3 thumbs down, which was like large language model thought that those experiments in 3 cases performed worse. And you can easily visually see which large language model preferred, graded as better with colors, green and red. And here there were large language model thought that they are similar. So there's no preference. And this is how we run pairwise experiments. This is how we can make sure that we have like LLM compare our results. So I hope this will help you iterate on your prompts, because you can run experiments and then compare them using large language model as well.